Hi, Mika here from Superchat, and in today's video we will take a look at what we just shipped, some analytics things and some other smaller improvements. So as always, let's get right into it. So as you can see, I'm already in Superchat's analytics here on the left hand side. And as you can see, I'm in our conversation tab. So we recently already introduced automation analytics, and we are now doubling down on analytics. And as you can see here, we got a new stacked bar chart here where you can have a detailed breakdown to see where your outbound messages were sent from. So here you can see in this time period, we sent a 1.5 thousand, almost 1.5 thousand outbound messages. Now, if you hover over it, you can see exactly where these were coming from. So like here, for the most part, 51% were sent by the AI agent, then another 40% by automations, integrations, and users. Super interesting to see how much you're already doing with automations, AI integrations to really get this breakdown. So like here you can see everything like in detail. So integrations is everything like make, Zapier, and it. Then we have automations, should be pretty self-explanatory. Users manually send messages. Campaign messages sent via a WhatsApp newsletter. AI agent API. So here integrations is really just make, Zapier, and it. And API is via our public API. External are the ones that you might send out via Instagram and not via Superchat or via Facebook. And then system messages are pretty much only things like autoresponders that you can set up in the inbox settings, like welcome message, like an out of business hour message, or like opt-in confirmations. So like these count as system messages. Exactly. Then down here we have one more thing, kind of building on top of what I just showed, a sender distribution. So here you can see it instead of a stacked bar chart over time for the entire time period that you selected. And here, as you can see, 57% were sent by users, 32% already by our AI agent, 7% by automations, and the rest via integrations. Exactly, that's already it to analytics. Now jumping to automations to show you one small thing that we shipped here, especially like for all of the advanced users that are also working with our webhook trigger and our HTTP request action. You now finally have a search here. So especially if you work with bigger JSON like data here, we make it now super easy for you to search through it. So like here, for example, you can look for false. Of course, like here in this example, the JSON is super, super small, so it doesn't make sense. Usually they are a lot bigger. And then we also added a search here on the left-hand side, making it a lot easier to find what you are looking for. Nice. Last but not least, we have one additional thing in the inbox, a very small thing, but now you are able to adjust the width here of this sidebar. That's new. What you can also do is adjust this width that we already implemented earlier this year. And then you can do the same thing with team chat. So here you can do the exact same thing. Was highly requested, so just a tiny improvement, but yeah. Just wanted to let you know. Greetings from Berlin. Hopefully see you in the next video. Bye bye.